English Idioms Explained, bowling ball. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, bowling ball. This phrase is not just about a sport, but it's also used in various contexts in English. Let's explore what it means and how to use it in conversation. First, let's understand the literal meaning. A bowling ball is a heavy ball used in the sport of bowling, typically made of hard rubber or resin. It's known for its weight and the role it plays in knocking down pins in the game. Now, let's look at how bowling ball is used idiomatically. In English, we sometimes use objects from everyday life to describe situations or feelings metaphorically. For instance, if someone says they feel like a bowling ball, it might mean they feel heavy or burdensome. To give you a better understanding, let's see some examples. 1. After eating so much at dinner, I felt like a bowling ball. 2. He carried his responsibilities like a bowling ball, always aware of their weight. In these sentences, the phrase captures a sense of heaviness or burden. It's important to use idiomatic expressions appropriately. When using bowling ball metaphorically, ensure that the context is clear. It's typically used in informal conversations to convey feelings or states metaphorically. And that's a wrap on bowling ball. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the imagery and feelings they evoke. Keep practicing, and you'll be bowling over your listeners with your language skills in no time.